Bro, every time I post a render, someone's like, how your references look so clean. Or,
Can you make a step-by-step tutorial on this?
Can you tell which add-in you used here?
What's the add-in name? I need this ASAP.
Brew, how you use this image editor looks sick.
and nah, it's not Blender doing that. Blender can't even handle my reference chaos. I mean, look, I love Blender, okay? Like, it's my baby. I do all my renders there. But bro, the moment I drop all my reference images in it, my PC starts wheezing like, help me, please. Fan spinning, CPU crying, it's chaos. So I was like, nah, there's gotta be a better way. Then I found this tiny little software that literally changed everything. No lag, no clutter, just peace. I can drag my images, zoom in, arrange them clean, even pin it over Blender. And I'm like, yo, this feels illegal, it's so smooth. Now every project I do, product renders, lighting ideas, textures, I just drop everything in this one clean window. No tab switching, no mess. It keeps my brain chill and my workflow fast. Honestly, this tiny tool works harder than half my add-ins. So yeah, the software everyone's been asking about is called PureRef. It's free, it's smooth, and it's literally my secret sauce for every render. If you want a full setup plus tutorial, drop a comment, PureRef.plz, and I'll make it happen. Alright legends, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful or just vibed with me, hit that like button. It seriously helps. And if you want me to drop a full PureRef tutorial, type puref.plz in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, cause more fire 3D tips are coming soon. Till next time, stay creative, stay grinding, and I'll catch you in the next one.